Hi, my name is Mark, and I am a systems engineer here in Australia. Before I met Adrian, I've had very less experience in trading, and I was not really good at it. I stopped for a while, and then when I met Adrian, he showed me about his course, which is very structured, and he's given me good support, and also from the other fellow students on our group coaching sessions. And now that I have finished the program, I have developed my own system, and I have become more confident than before. And I have already traded a week ago, and my stocks are good. So if you'd like to learn how to trade, just speak to Adrian at Enlightened Stock Trading. Thank you.